Well, I got my first truck when I was 3. Drove 100,000 miles on my knees. Hauled marbles and rocks and thought twice before I hauled a Barbie doll bed for the girl next door. She tried to pick. Ever since you left me, I've been riding around, cranking up a little country gold heartbreak. Cried and dried these tears, I don't know how much more missing you I can take. I prayed for a sign. Now there it is in the window. It's about time, damn time.
Our women get hot and our liver gets stained when we saddle up and ride 'em in the pouring rain. When a junkyard dogs with a alley cats, keep the wind at our front and the hell at our back. That's who we are. You ain't talking, walk that walk wide open. I'm a bullfrog sitting on a log, watching them flies like a bone to a dog. Hey sun done coming up, 8 bowl and a coffee cup. It's alright, fish don't bite. I can sit here all day, all night. Come on, ain't nothing gonna bring me down.
Up there in your high society, they might tell you I'm no good. Girl, they need to understand just who I am. I may be a real bad boy, but baby, I'm a real good man. I may drink too much and play too loud, hang out with a rough and rowdy crowd. That don't mean I don't respect my mama, baby. We stayed up